Before B.Tech, learn these how you can get started. Let's break down the essential steps for you. 1. Have a clear goal. Improve your communication skills. Clean code is not just about logic. It is about communication and maintainability. Every variable name should tell a story. This is how we build great software. Thank you. Learn computer basics. How do I create a folder?
Organizing files makes everything easier.
Increase your typing speed. Start programming today.
Six. Learn AI tools. Seven. Build your LinkedIn network. 8. Learn money management. 9. Master time management. 10. Build a strong profile before college.
I'm really proud of this. It shows all my hard work.